Designers, brace yourself, an AI design agent is here, and it's making millions of design tasks obsolete. This tool, powered by Lovart AI with models like Nano Banana and Seedream 4, lets you edit images and generate videos with just a few clicks, no design skills required. Let's break down how it works and why it's so powerful. First, you choose your models. Lovart AI gives you access to the best, including Nano Banana and Seedream 4 for images, VO3 and Kling for video, and even Minimax for 3D. You can select manually, or let the agent decide what's best for your content. Second, you use pins to edit precisely. Just click anywhere on the image, and AI detects the object. You can then make edits directly on that part. If the AI is unsure, it actually asks you to confirm, saving time and mistakes. Third, you can interact with objects. For example, pin the lion in an image and type, "Make the lion stand up." It can run, jump, or do whatever you describe. Fourth, you can generate different camera angles. Pin a character, and AI will give you multiple views, even changing facial expressions, hairstyles, or outfits. Fifth, the actor plus product use case. Imagine an actor holding your brand's product, in any setting, with any outfit. This alone could save companies millions in photoshoots. Sixth, video generation. Just chat with the agent, and it will pick the best model for your image and prompt. It might start with VO3, then switch to Seedream or Kling for better results. Seventh, you can place anyone in any scene. Combine two images, and the agent seamlessly places the subject from one into the other. And finally, you can edit multiple objects in one shot. Add multiple pins, apply edits to each, then hit Run All to process everything together. This is not just a design tool, it's an AI creative powerhouse. From precision edits to dynamic video generation, Lovart AI redefines what's possible in design. Would you use an AI agent like this instead of a traditional designer? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI breakthroughs.